guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how I created my birthday look. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. To start off this look, I'll be using the Eden Primer Potion by Urban Decay, and I'll be applying this to the lids. The palette I'll be using is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, and I'll be applying Thanks to Latte with the E60 Sigma brush. Next, I'll be going in with Transition with a MAC 224 brush, and I'll be applying this to the crease. To warm up the eyes, I'll be using Are You Kidding Me with the same MAC 224 brush, and I'll be applying this below the crease. The palette I'll be dipping into next is the Anastasia Lavish palette, and I'll be taking Sienna, and I'll be applying this to the crease and outer V. The brush I'll be applying this with is a MAC 217 brush. To bring some pop of color to the eyes, I'll be using the shade Wine and Dine, and I'll be applying this all over the crease. To apply it, I'll be using the same MAC 224 brush. To deepen up the eyes, I'll be taking Teddy Bear, and I'll be applying this to the outer V. The brush I'll be using is the same MAC 217 brush. To make sure everything is blended out smoothly, I'll be going back in with my MAC 224 brush with no additional product. To cut the crease, I'll be using my Sigma F10 brush, and I'll be applying my Eden Primer Potion from the corner of my eye all the way to the middle of my lid. Once you're done cutting the crease, your eyes should look like this. For the start of the show, I'll be going in with my MAC pigment in the shade Tan, and I'll be applying this with my MAC 239 brush. Next, I'm going to blend in my outer V color into my lid color to make sure they blend out smoothly. To add more sparkle to the eyes, I'll be going in with my Christian Dior Fusion Mono eyeshadow in the shade 621 Mirror, and I'll be applying that on top. To prep the skin, I'll be going in with my MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light, and I'll be applying this with my Real Techniques complexion brush. To prime and smooth out my skin, I'll be using my LA Girl High Definition Smoothing Primer, and I'll be applying this to where I have texture and pores. For dewy complexion, I'll be going in with my Cover FX Custom Drops in the shade Rose Gold, and I'll be blending this out with my Damp Beauty Blender. For foundation, I'll be going in with my Studio Fix Fluid by MAC in the shade NC42. Next, I'm going to be going in with my BECCA Color Corrector Eye Brightener to help counteract my dark circles. To conceal, I'll be using my Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer in the shade Vanilla Bean, and I'll be blending this out with the same Damp Beauty Blender. To highlight and balance out the face, I'll be using my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Light Medium. For cream contour, I'll be applying my LA Girl Velvet Bronzer Contouring Stick in the shade Suede, and I'll be applying this to the temples of my forehead, cheekbones, nose, and bottom lip. This is actually my first time using this, so far I'm enjoying it. It goes on creamy and blends out seamlessly. To bake the face, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'll be applying it to the areas that we highlighted. I'll also be using this to help clean up the contour on my nose. The reason why I like to bake my face is because it helps my foundation crease less. I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier Golden Bronzer, and I'll be applying this to the areas that we cream contoured. Setting the cream contour will help the contour stay on longer and help it not to move around. To chisel out the cheekbones, I'll be going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Medium Deep, and I'll be using my NARS Eater brush. When applying your contour, you want to make sure you're blending upwards. Blending downwards will defeat the purpose and make your contour look muddy. Also, don't forget to contour the nose. For cheeks, I'll be applying my BECCA blush in the shade Damselfly, and I'll be applying this with a Real Techniques contouring brush. When applying my blush, I like to blend it in with my bronzer because I want it to look seamless. Now we're going to go back in with Sienna and apply this to the lower lash line. To smoke out the lash line a little bit more, I'll be adding black diamond on top. To blend out those two colors, I'll be going in with orange soda with a Sigma fluffy brush. To highlight the inner tear duct, I'll be going in with the shade Ploof. The brush I'll be using is a Sigma E70 brush. To highlight the brow bone, I'll be going in with the shade Crystal, and I'll be using the same Sigma E70 brush. For my top and lower lash line, I'll be going in with my Rimmel Lash Accelerator and my Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara by L'Oreal. For liner, I'll be using a dark brown eyeshadow with a Sigma angled brush. For lashes, I'll be using the Style Rum by Hawthorne. The tool I'll be using to apply my falsies are from the Beauty Box. To highlight the face, I'll be going in with the Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture in the shade Conceited, and I'll be applying this with a Morphe 500 brush. The areas I will be highlighting is the cheekbones, tip and bridge of the nose, chin, and above the brows. I'll be going in with the Lolita Liquid Lipstick by Kat Von D. I'll be going in with my Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ashton. For gloss, I'll be using the shade Oyster Girl by MAC. To wrap up this video, I'll be using my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this pink shimmery birthday look. If you guys have any other requests, please don't be afraid to leave it down in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!